Are you looking for the best table saws under $1,000? In your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best table saws under $1,000 that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Dewalt DWE7491RS Jobsite Table Saw. Starting off our list, one of the most popular contractor table saws today, the Dewalt DWE7491RS offers remarkable cutting power and a large cutting capacity that will allow you to cut through dense wood with ease. This is a perfect cutting machine for both hobbyist and professional craftsmen. This Jobsite table saw also features an onboard storage system that provides easy access to the blade guard and the miter gauge. The machine boasts a sturdy construction that can handle some serious knocks. It's very stable, thanks to the incorporated rolling stand and metal roll cage, but it's not quite as stable as costlier units. To move the unit, all you have to do is collapse the rolling stand and then push the unit to your destination. The Dewalt DWE7491RS offers a 10-inch blade, 24-tooth carbide-tipped blade. This 10-inch blade can effectively cut through some of the toughest and largest wood blocks there is. However, you need to keep in mind that this is a relatively small blade, so you can't really go all out when it comes to wood thickness. Moreover, the saw provides an incredibly generous 32-1/2-inch rip and cutting capacity, which is definitely a good step further from its smaller predecessor, the Dewalt DWE7480, which offers a 24-inch rip and cutting capacity. Further, it offers an angle wheel knob that provides a means for easy blade bevel adjustment. Speaking of bevel adjustment, the accuracy is simply astounding, and the ability to automatically lock it in position is highly convenient because it allows you to perform repetitive accurate cuts without the need to readjust the machine. It also comes in handy when performing angular accurate cuts. As far as the depth of the cut, the machine offers a modest 3-1/8-inch cut depth on 90 degrees and a 2-1/4-inch cut depth when performing on a 45 degrees angle. And considering that the unit has a built-in riving knife to guide the stock and limit vibrations, accuracy becomes a sure thing. Besides the riving knife, the unit houses a rack and pinion fence system and a 15-amperage motor that's inductive and offers a no-load performing speed of 4,800 RPM that's sufficient for delivering smooth finishes. Sadly, no variable speed option is available. All in all, this model provides functionality, portability, and durability in one package. Finally, this model is compatible with a wide range of purchasable upgrades. Up next in the fourth place is the Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw. If you're looking for a highly portable contractor table saw that offers all the safety features necessary to complete large DIY projects, look no further than Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw. You can use it for light professional projects as well. For such a compact and portable unit, it's able to make very wide cuts, thanks to its folding fence system. You can assemble this model within minutes. A lot of table saws on the market are quite cumbersome to assemble, so this is a plus for the Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw. Simply unfold the stand, secure the machine on it, and you're ready to cut some wood. The unit features an integrated laser, which is pretty rare to find in a table saw of this price point. In fact, laser functions tend to be exclusively equipped into professional, more expensive saws. So once again, the Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw earns another plus for its innovative design. Let's talk a little bit more about the folding fence. While there are other power tools that provide a lot more than work surface provided by this folding fence, we can't really complain because it does the job perfectly, and you can't really ask for more in a machine that's as affordable as this one. Also, the included accessories, the rip fence, miter gauge, push stick, riving knife, dust collection bag, dust port, and blade wrenches, come stored onboard so everything travels together easily. The Rockwell Portable Tabletop Saw houses a powerful 15-amp motor that provides 4,800 revolutions per minute. With such a motor, you'll find it easy to cut some of the toughest stocks of hardwood you can find. Highly recommended. The third product on our list is the Makita 2705X1 10 inches table saw. In terms of power, the 2705X1 from Makita is definitely one of the best. This machine features a 15 amperage motor that provides enough power to cut through large and thick pieces of wood. plus the 15 amperage motor also grants the machine a cutting speed of 4,800 RPM, revolutions per minute, which is pretty awesome for its price. 2 onboard independent stowable anti-kickback pawls, as well as the riving knife, spreader, allows for through cuts. The Makita 2705X1 is a machine that you can assemble within a matter of minutes because the majority of its components are delivered assembled right out of the box. Simply set up the table saw on top of the stand and then attach the tilt wheel, rip fence, and height adjustment wheel. This model also features a tool-less modular blade smart guard system. One of the best safety features that this machine has to offer is the right extension table. When it's fully extended, the working space becomes remarkably commodious that you can slice through a full sheet of plywood with ease. If you seek a large cutting area, this is the right machine for you. Another feature that makes the 2705X1 stand out from its competition is its remarkable depth of the blade. While the majority of table saws in this price point can only offer a 3-1/8 inch depth at 90 degrees, this brilliant piece of machinery can provide 3 to 9/16 of an inch. The Makita 2705X1 comes with a plastic housing, so if you're in the market for an affordable table saw that you can use it non-stop, the Makita 2705X1 isn't your best option. Second on our list is the Shopfox W1819 table saw. If you are looking for a worthy investment, the Shopfox W1819 hybrid table saw may be what you need. The Shopfox hybrid table saw will fulfill your needs and expectations as it comes with a powerful 3 horsepower motor that is capable of cutting through wood without experiencing any issues. Additionally, its dust collection capabilities are exceptional compared to most hybrid table saws that tend to have challenges. The Shopfox hybrid table saw comes with a 4-inch dust collection port that you can easily attach to any industrial vacuum. When it comes to its design, the base is stable and sturdy as it features durable materials. This means you won't have to worry about the sensitive components getting damaged because they are well protected by the durable case. Its adjustable T-glide fence will enable you to cut wood pieces with high accuracy and precision. The fence has knurled knobs to allow you to fine-tune your material. One good thing you may like about these knobs is their simplicity, which makes using them easy. So, you can fine-tune the best hybrid table saw without experiencing any difficulties. The model's safety feature system is okay, however, it is far from being impressive. The hybrid table saw only comes with a few mandatory safety features, an anti-kickback system and a blade guard. Although the anti-kickback system is standard, it does a great job. You can also tilt the blade from 0 to 45 degrees, making it perfect for cutting compound miters, chamfers, and bevels. Finally, the top product on our list is the Shopfox W1837 table saw. The Shopfox W1837 table saw comes with a 2 horsepower motor that can easily power softwood cutting jobs. With such an impressive performance, it's undeniably this is a powerful Shopfox W1837 model worth your consideration. These Shopfox W1837 table saws can also cut a wide range of wood types, thanks to its 3,450 RPM blade speed. Apart from that, this Shopfox W1837 table saw is a great tool for cutting bevels, miters, and chamfers since you can tilt its blade up to 45 degrees like most other large models. The fence design on the Shopfox W1837 table saw matches that of most top cabinet saw models like the Skillsaw SPT991110 due to its sturdiness and precision. Fortunately, this Shopfox W1837 model prevents overheating as the W1837 comes with thermal overload protection feature that ensures it's safe from fluctuating current. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.